Samsung Galaxy Book4 Pro 14. A sleek powerhouse for professionals. Elevate your productivity with the Galaxy Book4 Pro. Samsung has once again redefined the standards for premium laptops with the Galaxy Book4 Pro. This sleek and powerful device is designed to cater to the needs of discerning professionals who demand both style and substance. A stunning display, a lightweight design. The Galaxy Book4 Pro boasts a stunning 14-inch OLED touchscreen with a 3000 resolution, offering vibrant colors and deep blacks. Its slim and lightweight aluminum chassis, weighing just 2.64 pounds, makes it easy to carry around, whether you're commuting to work or traveling for business. Unleash the power of Intel Meteor Lake. Powered by the latest Intel Meteor Lake processor, the Galaxy Book4 Pro delivers exceptional performance for demanding tasks. Whether you're editing videos, designing graphics, or handling complex spreadsheets, this laptop has the power to handle it all with ease. Enhanced AI capabilities. Experience the future of computing with the Galaxy Book4 Pro's advanced AI capabilities. The integrated NPU neural processing unit enables intelligent features like auto-framing and background blurring during video calls, enhancing your productivity and communication. A battery that keeps up. The Galaxy Book4 Pro's long-lasting battery ensures you can stay productive throughout the day without worrying about running out of power. With its fast-charging technology, you can quickly top up your battery and get back to work. A premium experience? The Galaxy Book4 Pro offers a premium experience in every way. From its elegant design to its intuitive interface, this laptop is a joy to use. With a wide range of ports and connectivity options, you can easily connect to your favorite devices and peripherals. Additional highlights. Sleek and modern design. High-quality build materials. Immersive OLED display. Powerful Intel Meteor Lake processor. Advanced AI features. Long-lasting battery life. Fast-charging capabilities. Abundant ports and connectivity options. Conclusion. Hey. If you're looking for a laptop that combines power, style, and portability, the Samsung Galaxy Book4 Pro is an excellent choice. With its impressive performance, stunning display, and long-lasting battery, this device is perfect for professionals who demand the best. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button for more updated reviews on your favorite product.